Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Twitter. So first you just have to launch your Twitter application, go to the top left corner, scroll down, go to settings and support, tap this arrow facing down, click settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy you have to click this security and account access, tap this one. And then under security and account access, what you're going to do is you have to click security. So here under security, you will see this two-factor authentication, ID verification, other features. So you have to click this two-factor authentication and they will ask for your password for them to make sure that you are the one who is about to make changes to your Twitter application or Twitter account. So tap this two-factor authentication, enter your password. Now, once you enter your password, you see this two-factor authentication. You can have this text message and you can also get security keys. So whenever someone tries to enter or tries to open your Twitter, you will be notified and you need to enter codes or security key here. But what I'm going to show you right now is how are you going to connect this authenticator application. So again, enter your password. After you enter your password, what you're going to do next here is you have to choose authenticator application. But here's the thing, in order for you to link this, you need to have this Google Authenticator. So if you tap this authentication application and then tap next, you should link this to an application. So if you click get started, they will ask you to link to a or what you call authenticator application. So go to Play Store and then install this Google Authenticator. So type Google Authenticator and then install. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. Once done, you can now go back to your Twitter. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to link the application to your Google Authenticator. So link app, it will automatically detect the Google Authenticator on your device. So what you're going to do here is you have to enter the code that they have sent to your Google Authenticator and then paste it to your Twitter. As you can see, it's black because of privacy purposes. So you have to confirm the code and you are all set. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.